Today we're going to be unboxing probably one of the best cheap budget RC cars you can buy. Oh, I landed. Welcome back, guys. 2519. This is the WLtoys 12427. Here's some other models you can get. So we got that one. It is 4-wheel drive. It says it's waterproof. It is 1/12 scale. It has 2 lights in the front. Alright, let's get out of the box. If you guys want to buy it, I'll have a link in the description down below, so go check it out. I had this car before on the channel, but I never did a review on it. So I gotta say, this is probably one of my favorite WLtoys. Well, this car is really flexible. Look at that. The shocks are not oil filled, but I'm pretty sure you could fill them up. We might do that in future videos. But just the car itself is amazing. Dang. So there's the motor right there. I believe it's a 540 motor, so it's a pretty good size motor. I'll just bend this plastic back. So here's the manual book. You got a couple tools. You got a charger, and here's the remote. Nice thing about the manual, it also has all the parts, everything you need to know about it. So that's pretty cool. If you break any parts, just look it up, order it. Really nice. Battery is included. You just need 4 AA batteries for the remote. So we're gonna plug that in. Here's the battery it runs, a 7.4 1500 milliamp, and then it just goes right in here. So it says it's a rock climber, but honestly I think it's more of like a rock racer because it is pretty quick. All right, so we're gonna plug in the battery and do our first run. Oh, gotta fix the steering. Okay, nice thing about it, it has a throttle trim. So here's on the lowest setting. So that's pretty cool. Maybe if you want to rock climb, that's what you can use. Let's try it out. Not so much. Okay, now let's go full throttle. Oh yeah. Easy. I gotta say, I love this truck. This thing, I mean, even if you already have RCs, this thing is just something to have around the house. It is bumpy. Let's see if we could do some rock climbs. Yeah, this thing's so fun. Ooh. Yeah, you gotta be careful on the turns because it will flip. Oh, almost a backflip. Honestly guys, I find myself playing with these smaller, cheaper cars more than my big ones. Because, you know, if you wreck it, it's not that bad. It's not expensive. When you play with the bigger car, it's a little different. There we go. If you guys want this, I'll have a link down below. Let's see if we could jump off that cliff. Oh, I landed. Okay guys, so the battery just died on it. I would probably recommend getting 2 batteries because the battery didn't last that long, but I love this thing. This thing, like I said, is probably one of my favorite just all around cars. It's under $100 and it's just a really great little car to have. Alright, time to read you guys' comments from the last video, which was the 11 unboxing. So let's read the top 5 comments on that video. Alright guys, first comment by Icon RZ. By the way guys, go check out his channel. He makes some really cool car videos. Alright, my guy, great review on this RC. This thing is fast. It is pretty quick. I was surprised myself. Alright, next comment by R-Kingsman. You are the best when it comes to reviewing RC cars, and your footage is just awesome. Keep up the good work, man. Your channel is so underrated, man. Thank you, I appreciate it for the nice comment, man. A lot of times when I make reviews, I forget a lot of stuff, you know. Before I make the video, there's so much stuff I want to say, but when it comes to filming, I just forget a lot of things. So I try my best, but you know, a lot of times I just cut out a bunch of stuff. So I appreciate the nice comment. All right, next comment, gotta say I love that hat. Thanks, man. Great video, man. A lot of the RC YouTubers are underrated. You guys make great content, never forget. Again guys, thanks for the nice comment, and I agree, there's a lot of YouTubers, small channels, they're underrated. A lot of times there's maybe like 2 big channels that I watch, RC channels. Most of them are just small channels that, you know, follow me from the very beginning, and I just keep watching them. So there's a lot of channels, RC channels, that are just underrated. All right, next comment by Cinematic RC. I love this video, keep it up, thanks for sharing. No problem, man, you're welcome. All right, and the last comment, Big and Cool RC School. That thing looks so fun, funny name, but it looks good. Great video. Do you know what the top speed is? Part list is really helpful for people like me that always break things and don't know the part names. I don't know the top speed. I would say it's probably like 15 miles per hour. It is pretty quick. And yeah, it's pretty nice that it has a part list. So alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you guys liked it, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.